Given the time constraint, we will only be able to touch on the surface of these topics. Remember, effective digital marketing is a broad field that typically requires in-depth study and practice. However, these 5 steps will give you a basic understanding. Let's start. Understanding your audience. 1 minute before you start any kind of marketing, you need to know who you're talking to. In digital marketing, this is often referred to as creating buyer personas. Your audience's age, occupation, location, interests, challenges, and habits can influence how you shape your marketing strategies. Tools such as Google Analytics can provide demographic and behavioral data about your website visitors. Setting clear goals. 1 minute. Each digital marketing campaign should have a specific objective. Are you trying to increase brand awareness? Drive more traffic to your website? Or maybe you're trying to increase sales of a specific product. Once you've established your goals, you can then use key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure your success. KPIs could include things like website traffic, conversion rate, or social media engagement. There are numerous channels you can use in digital marketing, including social media, email marketing, SEO, search engine optimization, PPC, pay-per-click, advertising, content marketing, and more. Your channel selection should be influenced by your audience and your goals. For example, if you're trying to reach a younger demographic, social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok might be more effective than email. Creating and sharing valuable content. 1 minute content is at the heart of digital marketing. This could include blog posts, videos, infographics, webinars, or podcasts. The content you create should provide value to your audience, helping to build trust and position your brand as a thought leader in your industry. Remember, it's not about pushing a sales message, but providing something that educates, entertains, or inspires your audience. Analyzing and improving. 1 minute digital marketing is not a set it and forget it kind of thing. You should constantly be reviewing your results and looking for ways to improve. This might involve A/B testing different headlines, trying new marketing channels, or tweaking your buyer personas. Use tools like Google Analytics or social media analytics to track your success and guide your improvements. Remember, digital marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to build an audience, establish trust, and drive results. So don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate success. Keep learning, experimenting, and refining your strategies, and over time, you'll see progress.